Never give up easily. Once there was a king. He was very lazy. He did not care for his kingdom. He did not help his people. His days were very simple. He liked to eat a lot. He liked to sleep very long. He liked to rest all the time because he was so lazy. People were sad. They wanted a good king, a king to help them grow. But the king did not listen. He liked his easy life so much. Time went by slowly there. The king's helpers felt bad. They told him his duties, but he did not listen to them. He got very fat and big. He could not leave his big bed. It was hard for him to move. Soon other kingdoms heard of him. Their own kings laughed at him. This made the lazy king feel bad. One day he saw himself. He looked in a big mirror. He felt much shame inside. He knew his kingdom would fall. He had to change his ways now. He needed to be strong again. He wanted to find a way. He told all in his kingdom, "Help me get strong again. I will give you a big gift." When people heard this news, they were glad. The best doctors came to the palace. They had plant drinks for him. They said he would lose weight. But the king drank these drinks. He did not get better. He got even fatter. He did not lose any weight at all. One day, a wise old man came. He heard about the king's trouble. He went to the palace guards. "I have help for the king," he said. "But the king must come to me. I do not go to kings' homes. My help works only if I give it to him." The guards told the king this news. The king was happy at first. Someone could help him now. But he had to go to the man. The king became very angry then. "This is silly," he yelled out loud. "I cannot leave my own bed. How can I walk to him?" But his helpers talked to him. They said, "King, this is your last chance. Please, try hard." They said the king had no other way to try. He sat up very slowly. Then his soldiers helped him walk a bit. It was very hard for him to walk, but he kept on going slowly. He walked to the wise man's small house. The king got to the small house. The wise man was not at home. He had to come back the next day. The king was very mad then, but he had to wait one more day. The next day he walked again, slowly. It was hard work for the king. He went to the wise man's house again. The wise man was not there again. This happened many days in a row. Each day, the king walked a little more. He did not know this was helping him. After one full month, the wise man gave him water. He said some special words over it. Then he gave it to the king. He said, "Drink this water now. You will get well soon, if Allah wants it." The king drank the water fast. Then he asked a question. "What is this magic drink called? How do you make it? My own doctors must learn this." The wise man smiled at the king. "My king," he said softly, "this is not magic at all. It is just plain water." The king was very shocked. "Then what? Then, how did I lose all my weight? The wise man laughed a little. No magic made you well. You made yourself well for 1 month. You walked to my house. Your hard work helped you. You did not give up. There was no easy way for you. Only your own work helped. The king could not say anything then. He saw his big mistake. He wanted an easy way out, but he just needed to try hard himself. From that day on, he changed his life. He cared for his own kingdom. He became a good and strong king. This story tells us something good. There are no easy ways to get better. We often want a quick fix. We hope for a miracle to help us fast. But the real help is in our own hard work. Hard times make us strong people like the king. We must help ourselves. We must work hard for what we want. We must not give up easily. Real success comes from trying hard. Always, it comes from not stopping our work. Real change comes from doing things. It does not come from just waiting. The king learned this big lesson. No magic can take the place of work. He started to change when he took one step. It hurt him, but he did it. He found his strength inside himself. We all have this strength too. Life can be hard sometimes. Getting better can take much time. But if we keep trying, we will grow strong. It is good to know we are not alone. The king's success shows this well. We must trust in Allah, always. Trying hard is very important also. Trusting Allah is important too. When we work hard and trust Allah, we can be anything bad. Do not be afraid of hard times. Trust Allah in your heart. Your good change is very near. Every step you take helps you get there. Keep walking and keep trying. Always keep your trust strong. 2.